So hi everyone, we are our team Programming Castle. So we are presenting Kobe Fund. So it's a decentralized web platform where people can help each other funding different items related to COVID-19. So it's completely decentralized, so it will be safe, secure, and we know that our funds reach the other side. So we are using Matic test network and Portus wallet to power this web application. So let's get started. Okay, so I'll add a new user, add as a new user. Okay, so we are signing in using this Portus wallet. So we are signed in. Okay, so now we'll be redirected to this page. So here we can find different posts and different needs which we can fund accordingly, and we can also see how much fund each thing received. Okay, so now we are going to add a separate post to this page. So we can add our needs so others can fund it. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the title of my post. So I'll be adding it as vaccination. Then I'll be giving a short description about the same. So vaccination for hospitals and health workers in Delhi. Okay, so now I need to add a category, so I'll be going with medical. Now I'll just add the post and it will be registered in the blockchain using the Portex wallet. Okay. Okay, great. So now we can see our post has been added to the list, but we have zero funds. Now I'm going to show my Portis wallet, which have my Matic test network, and this is my current balance. Okay. So now I'm logging in from another computer and I'm going to fund this project and demo that. So let's get started in the new computer. Okay. Now I need to sign in with a different account. So I'm signing in using Portis wallet. Just confirm. So it will redirect me to the forum page. Okay. So this is the current balance we have in the new account. Now I'm going to fund it. First I'm going to search it. So this is the vaccination post. Currently it have zero funds. Now I'm going to give like 52 dollars. So I'm going to fund it. Okay. So confirm payment. So payment is done and we have been redirected to the post page. Okay. So now if we check ventilators, vaccinations again, then we can see, yeah, the $50 have came up here. Now we need to check our Portis wallet and the Matic test network. And if we refresh the wallet, we can see that the amount should be deducted. Yeah, it is deducted from the wallet. So it has been successfully moved to the person who have added the post. Okay, great. Now if you can check our profile, we'll be showing a visual representation of what all funds you have given to different organization and a general visual representation of the same. Now I'm signing in my first account, so I'll just see my balance. Yeah, the balance in my Matic test network has increased here. Okay, well, thank